Anyway, having a long weekend, so I'll do a couple of rides around the Coromandel and take you along for the ride. Items. Whee! Here we are, Hawanui with its red roads. So like I sort of said in the previous video, we're sort of doing a couple of test rides before the TT at the end of February, which is not far away now, 4 weeks, 3.5 weeks. So we're just doing little things, we're trying out the old spot while I don't really know how it works, but we'll cross-reference the Odo with the Googles last year on the TT. So last year I sort of planned all my routes in Google, and then by the time I came home to the finish line, obviously my Odo was a little bit out, and I'd done an extra 40 kilometres or something. So this year we are going hard, or I have been going hard out with the old, is it navigational efficiency? All the categories are quite confusingly named. I'm trying to do the most points for the less kilometres. I reckon I can do quite a few points. The maximum is 5,000 points this year. I reckon I can do quite a few points and still come in under 2,000 kilometres, which means at the end I'll have to ride around the block, which is fine. But we're going to do a couple of rides at a decent distance and work out what Google says the ride should be and what my clock says the ride should be, right? Because nothing worse than riding for 48 hours and you've planned and you've worked out your shortcuts, and then you come home and your kilometres aren't quite what you'd planned for. That sort of 5% play in the speedo adds up over 48 hours. Anyway, I think we're well lost, so we'll see you tomorrow. Here we are, beautiful Whitianga. We're heading right up to the top today. It's Saturday. A little bit of cloud cover, which is nice. We're going to see if we can make it to the top of the Coromandel Peninsula. Would be fun. Discovered a new natural world, is what it is. You can probably read that now. I got a new GoPro, so you can probably read what's on the back of his tyre cover there. What do you reckon? Does it look pretty crispy? Oh, look at these. Beautiful. Shame I'm doing 30, but that's alright. Oh, Shay's back. That's good. Always do worry a little bit when I hoon off into the distance. Anyway, we're heading towards Coromandel town and then we'll head north. You good? I'm good. If you want to stop, just stop. Anyway, as I was saying, we need to work out some hand signals. Shay was just giving me a big old toot 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 and I'm like, are you alright? Are you sick? Are you needing gas? Oh good, G?
Yeah.
What's that average speed? 90 k's in 130 minutes. sure we can do 45. Oh, big corner cut there. Conserving his momentum as he down changes into probably third gear. Full smooth tarmac, I love it. Here we go. This is good. This is good. Last time I came through here to the DRZ, I think I got stuck behind a DR rail on a group ride. This was years ago now. It's absolutely up his butt, raging into my helmet. Let me pass, you big old slow retired man. I'm looking at him. Oh, this is good. I'm enjoying this. 25s, yes, here we go. Drop it down, second gear, tip it in. Ride that rear brake. Woo. The old switcheroo. I know I cut the corner, but look at the view. Oh, a bit wide. What a great bit of road. I guess we have to turn around and do that other loop and go back up. Back here there's another loop that goes around that way. Please hold technical difficulties. 4 cop cars. It's probably the entire Coromandel police force, to be honest. Trying to catch up to Shay. Need to get a cinematic, but of course all the trees always grow up above the sightline, so it's never as exciting or beautiful as you feel it might or could be. You have to ride around with your head cocked like this and try not to crash into the barrier. I'm guessing that's the bay that we're heading towards. Wow, this is such a cool road. This is really cool. Oh, it's just cool, man. Just cool, bro, man. Yeah. Lock up the rear. Probably made Shay change his pants there. Do it again. I'm good, I'm just having fun. And we're on to gravel. Silliness ceases. Oh, what a G. And we've both got target fixation. Here's my guy. Well, this should come out at Colville, but we're still on the east coast. I'd say we're maybe halfway through this detour. Welcome to Little Bay. Ah, here we are, back on the main road. I think State Highway 25 ends just back there. DRZ's doing well, the Africa's still doing good. Couple of little wiggly moments, but nothing too scary to report, just good, right? It's meant to be like a training ride, practice for the TT, you know, do a long distance in a day, bad view. Tarmac! Tarmac! Oh, it's nice because you can stand up safely. Those two were at the gas station before. How did they get through? But seriously, we just went the long way around the island. And that car, I'm sure, was at the gas station in Coromandel town. So how did they get there before us? heaps of memory card, got no battery left.